Our spinal cord extends from the medulla oblongata to the second lumbar of your vertebral column. This is protected by bones which are known as vertebrae, as we all know. It also has three meninges like that are present in the brain: dura mater, arachnoid and pia mater. It also has cerebrospinal fluid which protects it from mechanical injury and also provides nourishment and takes out waste. When you look at the cross section of the spinal cord, this is how it looks. So the spinal cord has a central canal which is a cavity right in the middle, and this cavity continues throughout the spinal cord and goes and connects with the spaces that are present in the brain. This cavity is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. Now if you look at the arrangement of the grey and the white matter, here is the difference between brain and the spinal cord. Biggest difference that lies between these two is with the arrangement of the neurons. In case of brain, the grey matter is on the outer surface and the white matter is inside. In case of spinal cord, it is just reverse. The white matter is on the outer side, which is made up of axons of neurons, and the grey matter is inside, made up of cytons of neurons. Now if you look at the white matter on the upper surface gives out a root which is known as the dorsal root, and on the lower surface gives out another root called ventral root. Now why these roots are there? These roots are there to carry neurons. So the dorsal root carries the sensory neuron, and the function of the sensory neuron is to take information from the receptor, carry it to the spinal cord. Inside the spinal cord, it meets the association neuron. From association neuron, the information is sent to the motor neuron. Now for the motor neuron to run out, the pathway is known as the ventral route. So the motor neuron now carries the information to the effector, which can be a gland or which can be a muscle. So I only spoke about neurons. I did not mention spinal nerve even once. Now I tell you, look at this bundle here. This is the spinal nerve which is coming out of the spinal cord. But the best part is, this spinal nerve is made up of two different types of neurons. It has sensory neuron and it also has motor neuron. This is the reason why spinal nerves are called mixed in nature, because they are made up of sensory and motor neuron.